Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Goodman air conditioner with Apple HomeKit makes managing your home's climate smarter and more convenient. While Goodman units might not be directly compatible with HomeKit, integration is possible through third-party smart thermostats or HomeKit-enabled hubs. First, you'll need a HomeKit-compatible smart thermostat like Ecobee or Honeywell. This device bridges your Goodman air conditioner with the Apple Home app. Once installed, connect your thermostat to your Wi-Fi network and configure its settings through its mobile app. Next, open the Apple Home app and select Add Accessory. Scan the HomeKit QR code on your smart thermostat or complete the setup process as prompted. Once your thermostat is successfully linked to HomeKit, you can control your air conditioner via the Apple Home app. Using Siri, you can manage your air conditioner with voice commands. For example, say, "Hey Siri, turn on the air conditioner," or "Hey Siri, set the temperature to 72 degrees. You can also adjust temperature levels, switch fan modes, and set timers through the Home app. Integrating your Goodman air conditioner with HomeKit streamlines your daily routine and seamlessly integrates into your home automation system. This setup also provides remote access and energy efficiency benefits, enhancing comfort and convenience. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.